Hi, I'm Kit. I'm the founder of Enate. I built Enate because, quite frankly, I was sick of watching service providers trying to deliver complex business services with spreadsheets and emails and endless manual workarounds. That might cut it if you're delivering server fixes, but it doesn't work when you're trying to deliver payroll in 12 different countries. And Enate's the platform that we built to solve those problems. So we've built Enate for B2B service providers. So if you're in the business of providing services to other businesses, Enate's a product for you. Enate's one platform that allows you to orchestrate all of your work and your organization. It gives you visibility of the work that's being delivered. It gives you control of the service and the performance to your customers. And it gives you the tools to drive effectiveness and efficiency across the operation. Enate's a platform that's designed for delivering complex B2B services and for coping with both the standardization and the flexibility that you need within those services. Once you've got that baseline of control with Enate, then you can move away from random acts of automation and make automation a deliberate and managed process. Enate comes with a plethora of AI use cases to help automate B2B service delivery. We start by categorizing emails and helping you understand the sentiment of your clients. You can use Enate to extract data from the unstructured information that your clients share, whether that's emails or documents. And then you can analyze that data using smart AI-based rules that are just written in English, making it really simple to deploy. Enate pays for itself primarily by creating capacity in your organization. Typically, we see customers creating 20% or more additional capacity within the service delivery organization. But there are other benefits as well. Happier customers, because more work gets done on time to the right quality. Happier staff, because they've got the time to do something that they're proud of. And those two tend to deliver increased revenue. That's the benefits that you get from Enate. That's why we built the platform.